Hello. So I have come here today because I have a product that I'm about to try out and I want to show you because we see videos everywhere, but I don't know anybody personally who has these. Now, I will tell you, I got these off Wish because they're like $60 for a pack on Amazon, and I paid like $4 for these. I'm pretty sure there's 18 of them in here. They are curl formers. They're like this ribbon thing. Now, these are like kind of a meshy plastic, almost like they act like a finger trap. But essentially, what you do is you've got this wand that, in theory, because I've not done this, and this may be more difficult than it appears because now I am discovering holding these strips at the same time of trying to run this through here may be a bit challenging. Okay, not so bad. So anyway, you run it through here, you hook a piece of hair, pull it back. I'm going to leave this one in here because it's going to be the first one I do. But I wanted to start by doing the standard thing and showing you this stuff. You may recognize it. I don't know if it works or not, but judging by how much I've used, I believe maybe it does. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but if it does, I've been using it. If it doesn't, then, well, I've been wasting my time. So, it's supposed to be for frizz and shine, so, I mean, I guess it couldn't hurt if I'm gonna have curly hair, right? Now, some of these are longer than others, which is great, and you can buy them in longer lengths total, but I didn't because I don't have very much hair. The longer they are, the more you have to pay for them. Pardon me for a moment. All right, so naturally, you'll want to section your hair into more manageable bits. Sound reasonable to you? Sounds reasonable to me. Okay, let's put one in. Let's start over here. We don't want two big sections, but I have 6 sections and 8 of these, so 3 bits per sounds fair. Look like a good amount to you? It does to me. Let me. Apparently, we're gonna have to get like my earring out of there. Get up on it because we want it to be all the way up here, right? Let's see if I can't get this hook on here. I'm missing a ton of hair. Should have started in the front, but I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe if I twist a little, but I don't want to have twists in my curl. Well, it did help. Perhaps it'll straighten out once I pull. So we pull this part up here, okay, and I've got it up to the part, and let's pull this hair through. Okay, so the hair is in there, and I guess we'll just let that hang. Now, I do plan on putting on a bonnet after I get all these on to keep them contained and from losing them. So let's prepare number 2. This isn't so bad. Number 2. And as we learned a moment ago, the curling method helps, or twisting. So we got us a bit. Let's twist it up here by the scalp. There we go. Feeling your way around is much more difficult than being able to see it. Alright, got that shoved up there. Hold it in place. This hurts a little bit because I'm very tender-headed. Got it. Excellent. Excellent. Choke. Got two. It looks like the pink and the green. Do these go different directions? They do! I was about to say the pink and the green are the same size, but they go different directions. Perfect. What you may not know, which is why I'm going to put a pink one in now, is that when you curl your hair all in the same direction, the curls tend to wrap around each other and make just one big cluster of curl, and it doesn't look so good. But if you alternate the directions they're going, not only do they not grab onto each other, but they look more natural. So there is a tip for you guys who are curling your own hair and your hairs are sticking together. Alright, we got one more section back here, and then we'll go to the other side. Oh, this section's very small. This is something that I considered might happen. I wonder if I should just mix it. But if I do, let's just grab a little bit from the side because it is really too small. Let's do that. Look, I've already got hairs on my shirt. I'm sure you can't see that. Alright. And that one's in. Excellent. Alright. We'll want a pink and a green on this side. Let's thread us another green one, and then we'll have the pink one closer to the front. Alright. These blue ones are longer. I'm going to use these on the sides and potentially the top because those bits are longer. And we'll probably transition back to the short ones, around this region. Alright, so this is what we have. I have these 4 that have these bits hanging out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them dry and then I hit them with a curling iron before I pull these out because that's all I can do. You see this static here? It's because the camera's looking for my green screen, but I don't have it. It sees the green. Wrong shade though. Anyway, so I will be back when it is dry. Alright. I've been asleep for a couple of hours, maybe 3. Put this on to protect it. Let's see what happened. Okay so far. Got a iron here heating up so that we can do something about these ends, because they did not get to be a part of the process. Don't want to get too close and melt the plastic on that. Yes, I see. That's not exactly the direction I wanted that to go. What the heck? Let's, how about we do it like this? There. Maybe it'll curve down the right way. Yes, much better. I've ordered some more of these because this was all I had in the pack. But clearly we need some longer ones. There we go. Alright. I would say that's good. Let's unplug this and move it out of the way. Alright. You go back to where you came from. I suppose we start taking them off the back and putting them back in your bag. Hopefully this doesn't look terrible, because if it does, I'm going to be really disappointed, and especially that I ordered more. Can't sit. Interesting. I wonder if they're dry. I think so. Well, let's just pull them off and find out. They are a little bit resistant about coming loose, but that's okay. That's because this material. Oh no. That's a little odd looking. What happened here? It's like it was bunched up in there. And it might have been. Ouch! Oh, I turned it the wrong way. There we go. Okay, now that one's coming out alright. Why does it look like that was 2? Because it wasn't. Okay. Yes, I see. The twisting did get a little stuck. Okay. Oh, man. The end of that was ridiculous. Well, it's not entirely horrible. They are curls, but what can we do with them? is on the other side of the room, which is not ideal. All right. It's okay. Not terrible. It's a little odd. It's a learning process, I suppose. This one here is, there we go. Put that out. I like the one ear out. That one's under there. I don't know. Maybe with a little bit of like, I don't know. Anyway, I guess it could have been worse. All right.